So this is Boozic, the final result of our senior design project. As you can see, it is material design as Google Design Philosophies has intended. Everything is very interactive and responsive to the user's touch, so the user does not misunderstand exactly what they're doing in the application. The camera button goes away as you scroll down to increase visibility. Everything shares the same responsiveness, and this responsive philosophy carries on through every part of the application. The layout transition is a fall and fade in, so the old view falls out while the new one fades in. We also have a theme manager to change the theme of the app, which will change the primary and accent colors of the application. And the icons are PNGs, so we do not have to change the icons themselves, we would just have to change the color of the drawable behind them. This will reduce storage necessary for the icons. So Boozic is designed to help users save money by giving them the cheapest local alcohol prices. So when we first open the app, we get a giant list. So there needs to be plenty of features to help the users find exactly what they're looking for. And the first one is the filter. So the filter menu gives the users the ability to filter by type, distance, they were willing to travel for the product, the price, the alcohol by volume, and or the rating. There's also the string search. So we can search by label or product type, and we'll get a nice little list of products that correspond to that label or type. And last but not least is the barcode scanner. So if we have, let's say, Mike's Hard Strawberry Lemonade, and we want to find the cheapest place we can buy it, we'll just scan the UPC, and there we go. We get the product view for Mike's Hard Strawberry Lemonade. So the product view is designed to give as much information to the user as possible. Here we see the closest and cheapest price. We see when those prices were last updated, the container type, the container quantity, the type of product this is. We also have the ability to update those prices. Here we're also given a more extensive product information table with three very important attributes. The first one being ABP, or alcohol by price. This tells the user how much they'll be spending per milliliter of alcohol. The PBV, which is the price by volume, which will tell the user how much they'll be spending per milliliter of liquid in the container, and the PD, or the price difference, which will tell the user how much they'll be saving if they decide to go to the cheaper store rather than the closest store. Now let's say I had no idea where ABC Fine Wines and Spirits was. All I would have to do is click on the address and Google Maps will open. And it looks like 3 minutes to ABC Fine Wine and Spirits. On the product view, we're also given the ability to rate the product and have access to a view graph that shows the product rating distribution. Now, since products on the Boozic servers are crowdsourced or user inputted, there's still possibility for discrepancies where the users cannot change. In this case, the product name. So all you would have to do is click on the product name is incorrect flag, input the correct name, set it, and it'll send us an email with the UPC, the inputted string, and the product ID. There we will verify whether the product name currently is correct or not. If it's not, we will consider the email's inputted string. If it is, then we won't consider anything. Now, since the barcode scanner cannot differentiate between an alcohol product and any other product, there's a very big possibility that a product that's been updated or uploaded into our servers will not actually be an alcohol product. So similarly to the product name, all they would have to do is click on the corresponding flag, not an alcohol product, which will send us an email with the UPC, the current product name, the product ID, which we will verify whether it is or is not an alcohol product. If it is not, then we will delete it from our servers and ban the UPC from ever being used again. On the product view, we also have the ability to favorite or not favorite a particular product, which should correspond to the favorites list, which it does. Mike's Hard Strawberry Lemonade. So this is the favorites list, which is pretty important for the notification systems, because whatever device has favorited items, those prices are the only prices that will be notified to the user. So here's an example. We just got a notification. Mike's Hard Strawberry just went for 50 cents at ABC Liquor.